The human nervous system is an intricate network of specialized cells. These cells transmit electrical and chemical signals throughout the body. It functions as the body's primary control system. It also serves as the main communication system. This system orchestrates every thought and cognitive process. It also coordinates all movements and sensations experienced by the body. Neurons are the fundamental building blocks of the nervous system. They function as specialized electrical communicators within the body. Each neuron typically comprises a cell body, which houses the nucleus. Dendrites extend from the cell body, receiving signals from other neurons. An axon transmits signals away from the cell body to other neurons or target cells. Neurons are fundamental units of the nervous system, responsible for transmitting information. They communicate through electrochemical impulses known as action potentials. An action potential is a rapid, temporary change in the electrical potential across a neuron's membrane. When a neuron receives sufficient stimulation, it triggers an action potential. This electrical charge propagates along the neuron's axon, a long projection. This propagation allows for rapid and efficient signal transmission over significant distances within the body. Synaptic transmission is the process by which neurons communicate with each other. At the synapse, an electrical signal arrives at the presynaptic neuron's terminal. This electrical signal is then converted into a chemical signal. Neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers, are released into the synaptic cleft. These neurotransmitters cross the cleft and bind to specific receptors on the postsynaptic neuron. This binding propagates the signal, converting it back into an electrical signal in the receiving neuron. The central nervous system, CNS, serves as the body's primary command and control center. It is fundamentally composed of two main components: the brain and the spinal cord. The brain is responsible for processing complex information, thoughts, and emotions. The spinal cord acts as a crucial conduit, relaying signals between the brain and the body. The CNS integrates all incoming sensory information received from various parts of the body. It then generates and issues precise commands to regulate bodily functions and responses. The peripheral nervous system, PNS, encompasses all nerves located outside the brain and spinal cord. It acts as a vital communication relay, connecting the central nervous system, CNS, to the body's limbs and organs. The PNS transmits sensory information from the body to the CNS and motor commands from the CNS to muscles. This intricate network enables essential functions like movement, sensation, and involuntary bodily processes. The somatic nervous system, SNS, is a crucial component of the peripheral nervous system, PNS. Its primary function is to facilitate voluntary control over skeletal muscles. This allows for conscious movement and interaction with the environment. The SNS also plays a vital role in processing sensory information. It receives input from external stimuli, such as touch, temperature, and pain. This sensory processing enables conscious perception of our surroundings. The autonomic nervous system, ANS, is a key subdivision of the peripheral nervous system, PNS. It is responsible for regulating involuntary bodily functions essential for survival. These functions include heart rate, digestion, respiration, and glandular activity. The ANS primarily works to maintain internal homeostasis within the body. The autonomic nervous system, ANS, regulates involuntary bodily functions, maintaining homeostasis. One key branch of the ANS is the sympathetic nervous system, SNS. The SNS is primarily responsible for preparing the body for fight or flight responses. In stressful or dangerous situations, the SNS activates to enhance survival capabilities. This activation includes increasing heart rate, dilating pupils, and redirecting blood flow to muscles. These physiological changes optimize the body's ability to react quickly to perceived threats. The parasympathetic nervous system is a key branch of the autonomic nervous system. Its primary role is to promote rest and digest activities within the body. This system actively slows the heart rate, contributing to a state of calm. It also stimulates essential digestive processes, optimizing nutrient absorption. Ultimately, it conserves energy, returning the body to a relaxed state after stress. The cerebrum is the largest and most prominent part of the human brain. It is primarily responsible for higher-level cognitive functions. These functions include thought, language processing, and memory formation. The cerebrum also controls voluntary movements throughout the body. Its convoluted outer layer, the cerebral cortex, is divided into distinct lobes. The cerebellum is a vital part of the brain, located at the back of the skull, beneath the cerebrum. It plays a crucial role in motor control, ensuring smooth and coordinated movements. This brain region is essential for maintaining balance and posture during various activities. The cerebellum fine-tunes movements, allowing for precision and accuracy in motor tasks. It is also significantly involved in motor learning, helping to adapt and improve motor skills over time. Damage to the cerebellum can lead to issues with coordination, balance, and motor skill execution. The brainstem is a critical component of the central nervous system, located at the base of the brain. It serves as the primary connection between the cerebrum and cerebellum and the spinal cord. This vital structure facilitates communication pathways throughout the entire brain and body. The brainstem regulates essential involuntary bodily functions crucial for survival. These functions include controlling breathing, maintaining heart rate, and regulating sleep cycles. It also plays a key role in consciousness, acting as a crucial relay and control center. The spinal cord is a vital component of the central nervous system. It acts as the primary conduit for information exchange between the brain and the body. Sensory signals from the body travel up the spinal cord to the brain for processing. Motor commands from the brain are transmitted down the spinal cord to muscles and glands. Beyond transmission, the spinal cord also mediates reflex actions. Reflexes enable rapid, involuntary responses to stimuli, bypassing conscious brain processing. Sensory input is crucial for an organism's interaction with its environment. Sensory neurons, also known as afferent neurons, are responsible for transmitting this information. These neurons carry signals from sensory receptors located throughout the body. The information is then directed towards the central nervous system, CNS, for processing. This input includes diverse sensations such as touch, temperature, pain, sight, and sound. Motor output, also known as efferent pathways, is a fundamental function of the nervous system. It involves motor neurons, or efferent neurons, transmitting signals from the central nervous system, CNS. These signals are directed to target organs, primarily muscles and glands, throughout the body. The transmission of these signals initiates physical movements and regulates glandular secretions. This motor output enables the body to react and respond effectively to its external and internal environments.